We start the drawing by sketching a large rectangle. This will form the outline of the doghouse. Draw the door at the bottom of the rectangle. Don't forget to use curved lines for the top of the door. To decorate the doghouse, draw a bone. You can easily create it by using the number 3 as a guide. Draw a triangle on top of the rectangle to complete the roof of the doghouse. Use horizontal lines to make the wooden parts of the doghouse more distinct. Using circular shapes, draw the food bowl for our dog. Using simple drawing techniques, sketch a dog next to the doghouse. Start by drawing a round circle for the face, then add details to create the dog's facial features. After completing the doghouse and dog drawing, it's time to add color using green, yellow, and red coloring pencils.